Hey guys, JL Overland here again with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the 3-piece dirtydog netting for the 4-door JL. So here's what comes with all the kits. This is the rear part right here, and those are your two windows. That comes with a little parts bag with 3 varying sizes of straps, and those 2 clips are on the side. It also comes with the tailgate bar, which you attach to the bottom of the rear netting, and you attach this to the soft top bracket. I don't have a soft top bracket. You can order through them. I didn't because I didn't realize you had to order it, but there's that. And it also comes with these little clips that you attach onto that, as well as a little card and some stickers. So let's get started. So the first step in this process is to attach the rear cargo net. You're going to know the rear one because it's this wide, and then the side that goes out is one that has the dirtydog logo facing outward, so that way. You're going to get the two 24 or 23 inch buckles, and you're going to attach to the roll bar and have them centered. Alright, so after you have the top roll bar connected, you're going to use these 2 straps on both sides and attach to the angled roll bars, and keep them loose until you get this logo centered on the roll bar. Alright, so now that you have those 2 buckles in on both sides with it even, you're going to get your 17-inch strap. There's 2 of them. And you're going to attach a female buckle onto it and wrap it around the roll bar. And this one will attach to this netting, or this strap right here, where you will put a male connector in there. Alright, so once you have these connected and tightened up and evened out, you can go on and put on the male end connector to this last row, the fourth one, so, or the third extra strap, so 1, 2, and 3. So what you're going to do next is you're going to attach these anchor clips to this bolt right here, or this hole right here. If you have a hard top, you can just use the hard top bolts that come with your hard top. Or if you have a soft top and don't have those bolts, they include these bolts and spacers as well. So all you gotta do is put the hard top bolt, and you should be fine with the nylon flat washer, and you should be good. So after you put on the straps and bolt them down and clip them in and tighten them, you would install the tailgate bar through these holes right here, and then attach it to the soft top bracket that goes over here. But I do not have the soft top bracket. I'm still back ordered through the Mopar or Jeep dealership, and I haven't been able to get anything from the dirtydog guys. So that would go right there, and you'd be good. I'm gonna run it without it for a little while, and then eventually put it on. I think you can always just cut these off too, if you really wanted to, but that's a personal preference at that point. But next you're going to attach the side nets. You'll know which side goes to which because it says which side it goes on. So we'll get started with that. So next step, you get the side mirrors, or the side netting, and then you're going to start with the part closest to the front of the car. So start with this one, loosely. That way you can attach the hooks onto the tub. If you have a subwoofer, you're going to have to attach this up front woofer and then slide it back until it's in place, and then you can attach the third strap. The middle strap, they're both going to go over. This strap is going to go around and back. And this goes up and over. Once you have all of them attached, you can kind of tighten this up a little bit, get a little bit better into place. Here's a little better close-up look of how this will go. These are the hooks that hook onto the tub, and you just put them on there. Once you tighten the straps up, they will get taut, and you don't have to worry about them flying off. What I said before, you have to slide this in, or put that part right in here, and slide it back if you have the subwoofer. The top view of this part right here, so it's gonna go over and under. This part is gonna go over and under, and on the inside it'll look like that. And then you should tighten it up after a little while. So now you have it's all a little bit taut a little bit. You're gonna get the last straps, and you're going to fish it through this grommet, pull through, and then you're gonna attach it to the door, little hoop right here. It doesn't affect the closing of the door. I just pull it all the way through until this thing won't go anymore, and then you just tighten it up. And with that, you want to make sure that it doesn't make it uneven on all the sides. So that's when you start tightening this up a little bit piece by piece. You're going to take this last part right here, and you're going to put it under this part right here, and attach it to one of the tow hooks. And once you complete it, tying down to the hooks on the ground, you are done with your install. I'm trying out both sides, or the middle and the end, to see what would work better. I don't know which one you're supposed to do. It didn't really say in the instructions, but yep, here's the install of the Dirty Dog 4x4 3-piece netting. It's, as long as you keep it taut, it should be fine. I hid the excess underneath here because I don't want anything flapping around. I'll do same with all the other stuff. Maybe get some tape, duct tape or something, electric tape, to keep it from flapping around in the breeze. If you have one of the forever weight flags, it'll still fit in here between the nettings, as well as if you have a fire extinguisher mount, you can still put it in there. I mean, I can't get it from the inside really. I mean, I can kind of, if I hurry up and buckle it out, but it's just in case thing. If you guys have a hard top, make sure to order the soft top brackets if you want to have the additional coverage right back here, and then you'll be fine. I think I should be fine. I'll just Velcro it up for right now, and my dogs shouldn't jump out. But yep, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any other ideas for installs, let me know. I have the tailgate table coming up next, and the Cool Tech CB radio antenna mount that will attach to the back of the tailgate. So, all right, thanks guys.